Happy summer, everyone! Today, Baker Ross's Ralph and I are celebrating summer in style by making some easy-to-make, colourful friendship bracelets. So in this tutorial, we're going to show you 4 different friendship bracelets using a range of materials and techniques. So Ralph, should we get to the studio and get started?
Yep.
Come on, let's go. Here we are in my craft studio. And the first bracelet we're going to show you today is the Fishtail Bracelet.
You will need coloured wool or thread, a button, a measuring tape, scissors and some masking tape. Let's prep. Measure the wool at 150 centimetres and cut. Put all the lengths together and then fold in half. Make a loop and test the button to make sure it fits. Tie it in a knot to secure the loop. Let's get braiding. Divide the threads into 2 with one of each colour on either side. Now take the thread from the far left and cross it over the left section, placing it in the centre to the right. Then repeat this action using the same colour on the other side and pulling up as you go to make the plait. Repeat for each pair of colours and for the length of the bracelet. Tie the end into a knot and thread on a button. Secure the button at the back by tying and cut off any excess wool. To finish, trim off the tail to make it nice and short.
The next technique will get you all in a spin. It's the spiral bracelet.
You will need 3 pieces of thread, a measuring tape, some scissors and some masking tape. Let's prep. Gather 3 different colours of thread and cut 6 pieces 60 centimetres long. Tie a knot at one end with a tail of 10 to 12 centimetres left. It's braiding time. Make a standard plait in the tail and knot. Now secure with tape and split into 3 pairs of matching colours. Take one pair and make 5 hitch knots over the other 4 threads. Repeat this step with the other 2 pairs and then continue the pattern to make the length of the bracelet. Here is a finished one we made earlier. Next, tie a knot at the end and plait. Tie a knot and trim.
Next up, and this is Ralph's favourite, we have the Kumihimo rope bracelet.
You will need an A4 piece of card or paper, some coloured thread, scissors, a pencil, some glue, a round container and a measuring tape, a ruler. It's time to get prepped. Fold a piece of paper or card into 4 and cut along the creases to make 4 pieces. Glue the pieces together, then draw around a cup and cut out the circle with scissors. Now draw a dot in the centre of the circle and use a pencil and ruler to draw 4 lines and divide the circle into 8ths. Using scissors, carefully snip 1 to 2 centimetres into each line and use a sharp pencil to pierce a hole in the centre. Cut 7 pieces of coloured thread 90 centimetres long and tie together at one end, leaving an 8 centimetre tail. Making time! Now thread the knot and tail through the hole of the circle and place each thread into a slit. Don't worry, one will be left empty. Now the fun part. Count 3 threads from the left and move that thread to the empty slit. Keep repeating this step to make the length of the bracelet. Top tip, pull on the cord every now and again. To finish, tie threads in a knot and snip off to leave an 8 centimetre tail.
We're going to show you how to make a striped bead friendship bracelet.
You will need 2 pieces of coloured wool, a button, a measuring tape, scissors, masking tape and 6 beads. Let's prep. Cut 2 pieces of wool 180 centimetres long. Fold in half and make a loop. Make sure to test the button for size and then knot. Let's braid. Arrange the threads with 2 green in the middle and the blue either side. Now, from right to left, tie 2 hitch knots on each thread to make a blue row. Repeat this for 2 green rows and 1 blue. Now thread a bead onto the 2 middle green threads and then do a blue row underneath. Finish the length of the bracelet, tie in a knot and then thread on a button and secure at the back. Trim the tail to make it look neat.
So there you have it. 4 fab friendship bracelets that are easy to make and will look great to wear this summer. What do you think, Ralph? He really does love them. Thanks for joining Ralph and I for this video. For more creative inspiration and for a great range of craft products, please visit www.bakerross.co.uk. We'll see you soon. Have a great summer.
Whee!